In this video, I'll show you guys how to create a Telegram group. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Telegram, and if you're on iPhone, you want to be on this chat section right here, and then you click on this icon right here, up right here, this edit icon up right here. You click on it and it will bring you to this page where you can create a Telegram group, contact, and a new channel. If you're on Android, you want to open your Telegram app and then you click on this edit icon right here. Or better still, you want to go to menu and then you click on contact, and to bring you to this screen where you can create a new contact, group, and channel. So what you want to do is create a new group. So I'll click on new group, and then you can add any amount of contact you want to add to the group. So I'll just add one contact for the sake of this video, and then I'll click on next. So right here, I'll just enter a group name. I'll call this NetEase Tutorials. Then I'll click on create. So now we have a Telegram group with 2 people. So you can add as a total of 200,000 members. Or you can click on the channel name. You can click on edit and you can set a photo, a profile picture. I'll just set one and then I'll click on done. Also, you can change the channel type from private and you make it public. But when you make it public, you have to provide a link, a public link. NetEase Tutorials. Okay, this is available, and then I can click on done. You can go through all other settings. When you are done, you click on this done button, then click on back. So right here we have our new Telegram channel, and you can also create a Telegram link that you can send to people to join the group. So you can click on add members to add more members, and also you can send an invite link to anybody with the invite link can also join the group as well. So we just do copy link, and you can send this link to anybody to join the group. So that's just how to create a Telegram group. I hope you find the video helpful. My name is Victor Smith, and I'll see you guys in the next one.